Beginning to plan a remodeling project should be an exciting adventure, but knowing where to start may be a little overwhelming. At J.S. Brown & Company, we're here to help understand your vision and guide you through a proven process. We don't just do the job for you, we do the job with you. That's right, our remodel process involves you every step of the way to ensure that each element is tailored to your unique style. That's why the first step of our process is a free in-home consultation to collaborate on a big picture concept for the area of the home being remodeled or added onto. If we feel like we can meet each other's expectations, we ask you to invest in the next step of our process of designing and planning and put our design team to work. After taking detailed measurements and photographs, we use cutting-edge technology to provide an accurate representation of the proposed project and investment required, along with help selecting materials, colors, and finishes. With your new project plan defined, we will then determine a timeline for the project and a payment schedule before swinging a hammer. Turning part of your home into a construction site can be stressful, so we will be sure to set clear expectations to put your mind at ease. Once we're on the same page, construction begins. While you won't be getting down and dusty, you will still be involved in the process through on-site meetings at key milestones to make sure everything is moving forward as planned. Once the project has been completed, we'll walk through the new space with you to ensure your satisfaction with our work. We're so committed to quality craftsmanship that we offer a unique 5-year warranty upon successful completion of your project. If anything needs fixing, we'll take care of it, no questions asked. We've been in business since 1978 because of our promise to every customer of quality, professionalism, and integrity, and hope to add you to our family of satisfied customers soon.